But at the same time, like even the word tells us that you can't have faith and fear existing in the same body. It's just like that. I had the faith to do some stuff, but it's just like not giving really God full space to do what he wants to do in my life. And it's just like I sat there and it's just like I cannot do this anymore. I just can't, you know. One, I'm not gonna lie, I am like, I do have like the shakes a little bit because I'm like, you know, like I'm in new territory. It's like, but at the same time, like it don't matter how many talks, no matter how many talks on YouTube I watch, it don't, you know, how many people I consult with, at some point you're going to have to take the leap. And I know that.
Yeah, it's hard, but I feel like it's worth it. I have like no desire to go back to the work field. No desire. And my other friend who had basically, she did the same thing that you did, got pushing on her, she couldn't take it no more. And she actually has a husband, and her husband still ain't down for it or whatever. She was just saying that she literally felt like she was like dying inside. Like, I cannot keep coming to this place.
Yeah.
I cannot keep doing this when God is telling me to do something else. And she said, like, he was telling her, like, God was like, leave the job. I want you to do the business full time.
Yeah.
And it's so crazy because she had her her business at that time, and then he gave her a whole other business, so now she got two businesses.
Right.
So it's just like, if you finally say yes, it'll work. But it's times when it's hard. Trust me.
Okay guys, so as you guys just heard from the conversation, I officially quit my job today. So May 10th marks the beginning of a milestone that I have been looking forward to for such a very, very long time. And honestly, it's just I'm not gonna bash the company I was working for, or, you know, all those different things like some people do. It's just really not worth it, and it is what it is. You know, it wasn't like, you know, it's the fact that when you work someplace for a long time, you kind of get settled in. And the thing is that it honestly doesn't matter when I would have planned or what I would have saved or this and that and whatever. And I know there's a lot of information out there as far as like the what to do's and the how to do's and all of the different things, and have this in place and that in place. And the reality of it is, it doesn't matter that what you have in set up really in the process. It's when it happens, and when the moment is there, you either have to take it. And one thing that I learned growing up is that faith and fear can't exist in the same place. And so having faith that I'll be able to go full time, or, you know, having a fear that what if they fire me before I'm ready, you know. And it's just like, I don't think you're ever ready for anything. They had a time just last year, they fired a ton of people, and it's just like, it sucks. I mean, it really, really sucks to watch people that, you know, they have moved and moved their kids' schools and all of that to adjust for where they work for, but we'll adjust for a job, but we won't adjust for our dreams. And it just like, one of the things that happened was someone in, you know, the higher ups or something like that. It's just the walking around and the micromanaging. And it's just like, either way, whether you're over my shoulder or not, the work is going to get done. I fully intend to do my job. And, you know, I'm always a peaceful person, and I try to be peaceful as much as possible and treat people well regardless as to how they treat you. But it's just like, one thing remains true. At some point you will have to take that leap of faith, and I'm not telling anybody to do what I did, but I know for me, it was simply just time. It was time to take the leap of faith and do what's required to see my vision be fulfilled. And so I introduced to you all Visual D Creative. Visual D Creative is my video editing business that I'll be operating full-time, in addition to the content that I create on Entre Women TV. And of course, since I'll have more time to do more videos, I won't be just making videos 24/7, but I will be able to focus more on the channel and the content that I am producing and all those great and wonderful things. But I said for a time that, you know, we keep ads off, so needless to say, today's the day we're going to kick those ads on. And super chats will always be available via live. If you want to participate in those and contribute to the channel, it's always welcomed. But those pre-rolled ads are something that we're not going to be bothered with, as I promised, and as we will continue to do. So, like I said, other than that, I mean, it'll be probably more content for you and things like that. And then of course, hey, video editing is available to the Entree fam as with anybody else. So I'm looking forward to just booking out the calendar for the month and just moving forward. So that's where I'm gonna leave it for today. I don't know about the daily vlogging. That's a lot of content to add on top of just the regular editing that I'll be doing. So I'll still be working what would have been, you know, probably more than what my normal working hours were, and I'll be walking in faith, and I look forward to doing that and just fully trusting God for what's to come and the journey, enjoying this journey. So I knew that this day was coming. Like I said, I didn't plan for that today, but I just knew, you know, enough is enough of being mistreated, and I did not want to continue to do that. So I know, let me know your thoughts down below, but as always, guys, live with passion. I'll see you on the next video.